Hare Krishna everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sonu Chawla. In this video, we will learn how we can convert handwritten notes in MS Word document. So, we all love handwritten notes, but in this modern world of technology, we all are in the need of typed documents that make our work more presentable. But typing them is like wastage of time. So today I am going to tell you how you can convert your handwritten notes into typed documents. So let's begin. So for this, first of all, you need to type something in your notebook or any paper as I have typed, and you can click that with the help of your mobile camera, or if you are having any scanner with you. As I have written this in English language, and the image of it I have uploaded in my computer system, and the second one has been written in Hindi language, and this is the picture of it in JPG image it is. So both these files I'm going to upload and convert it into MS Word document. So first of all, I just need to click on Google Chrome, and you just need to open your Gmail account with the help of any browser. In fact, you can open your Gmail account. So I have already opened, I have already signed into my account. So on the extreme right of it, you can see there are 9 dots available on it, which can be termed as Google Apps. You just need to click on it, and you can find an option for Google Drive available here. So Google Drive is getting open here. So we can see on the very extreme left of this Google Drive, the new option is available here. We just need to click on it and click on the file upload option. We can see it at the second place. Click on this file upload option, and the file which we have to convert into the text document or MS Word document, that file needs to be uploaded with this option. So this will give us the window through which we can browse in our device and find that particular file in order to insert it in Google Drive. Alright, so as I have already shown you, this one is my English written file, and the second one is the Hindi written file. So both of these files I am going to open or upload it in my Google Drive. So these files are getting uploaded. So okay, I have already uploaded this in order to show you the pictures. So just right click on it and click on open with Google Docs. So you can see it here, like below the picture we can see our written text has been converted into the Google Docs file, and we can delete our JPG image by just selecting this image and click on the delete button from the keyboard, and we can click on file, click on the download tab, and download it as a Microsoft Word document, so that in that document, if you need any formatting or in order to update or edit, so you can do it in Microsoft Word document. At this place as well, if you want to do some formatting, you can do. So by following the same procedure, I can convert my Hindi written document into the MS Word document. Right click on it, open with Google Docs, so we can see that below this image, this has been written over here. If I want to delete this, By following the same procedure, I'm going to delete that image, and we can find it here. Any kind of formatting can be done. You can change the color of it. You can like suppose I want to change the color of it, I can do it very easily. And if I want to download it as a MS Word document, click on the file tab, then download option, then Microsoft Word document. So in this way we can see that both of our files have been downloaded here. So that's all for the topic. Stay tuned and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.